I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and it was kind of a warm one today, but as you can tell by our temperature trend, the big news is going to be this. It's going to be hot, 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 hot for the rest of the week, and the humidity will be coming back. I'll have your detailed forecast coming up as the Delta News at 10 weekend edition starts now.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 10.
And the months of August and September are prime months for high hurricane activity. The preparations you make now ahead of the storms, floods, and hurricanes can help you recover faster and stay safe and during cleanup. Meteorologist Karen Williams has these helpful hints for us.
In the rush before a storm, people sometimes forget to make sure that their outdoor power equipment is working. They also tend to run out of time as the weather is often unpredictable. At all times of the year, it is extremely important to keep your equipment in good working order before a major storm arrives.
The storm is coming. You've got to do some planning first. So how big a unit do you need? They come in all ranges of sizes and price points. So do you want to run just a handful of sockets and light bulbs, or do you want to run the refrigerator and the air conditioner? These all have a load. They all pull power. So you've got to decide what you want to do and buy a unit that fits that. So sizing it up, and then you're going to have to need extension cord. We see oftentimes someone buys a portable generator and they don't have extension cords that are long enough or heavy enough, I mean heavy, to carry the load a safe distance from the house. So remember, you cannot run a generator near the house, near an open window, in the breezeway, on the porch, in the garage. You cannot run these things indoors. So you need cords long enough, and you have to size the unit, and you have to have fuel, right? And an amount of fuel. So if the power goes out, you can't then go to the gas station. So the key to portable generators in a storm situation is to prepare and plan.
Safety is any piece of engine equipment. It produces carbon monoxide, so that it is vital to place a generator at a safe distance from your home, and be sure to read your owner's manual. Also be sure to secure your unit so that it doesn't get stolen, and to be able to access the unit during an emergency. Finally, be sure to stabilize your fuel with ethanol, and never ever run your unit indoors. If you follow these steps, you will keep yourself and your family safe. Reporting for the Delta News, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams.
All right, definitely some helpful tips in there that I didn't know. And right now, let's turn things over to meteorologist Karen Williams for a look at the weather. Karen, it was a scorcher today, for sure.
Well, Tamara, it was definitely a scorcher out there, and we have mild conditions, and it's mainly clear outside. And guess what? It's going to get even hotter, Tamara. I will have your complete forecast after the break. As you can see by our satellite radar, we don't have a whole lot of activity except for parts of Arkansas have a heat advisory, and that is just an introduction of what things are going to be like for tomorrow and the rest of the week. Now, there was a few isolated showers that were down to our extreme south, but we don't have to worry about that at least for another day. And as we get into Monday and the rest of the week, that's when we'll have increased chances for showers and thunderstorms. We're looking at another view here, and the reason why is because we have high pressure that is locked in here at the Gulf. And as we zoom in a little bit further, a weak front kind of moved through here. But guess what? That is pretty much all but over with, folks. With high pressure in control, that's when things, and especially as in the Gulf, that's when you can expect the heat pump to just move right on. So it's going to be a hot one, and you definitely want to take it easy out there. Be slow as you go. Now, looking at the out-the-door forecast, 7 a.m. we'll have plenty of sunshine, 76 degrees. By 1 p.m. we'll zoom up to 94 degrees, and then by 7 p.m. still will be hot, 91 degrees. Right now in Greenwood, 78 degrees, no wind to speak of, and then the dew point at 75. That's the one thing you notice about humidity at 90%, and then that heat index is at 79 degrees. So again, it's going to be quite mild tonight. For Greenville, No wind, but it is 78 degrees, that dew point at 72, and the humidity 82%, and it feels like 79 degrees. Low temperatures tonight will be in the low to mid 70s with 71 in Batesville, 73 for Carrollton, and 73 for Yazoo City. And then the high temperatures tomorrow, it will be in the mid to upper 90s. You're looking at 96 for Carrollton, 97 for Lake Village, and 95 for Yazoo City. Again, it's going to be a hot one. Now, as we advance a little bit further here, again, here's why. We're going to put the future tracker into motion here. And as you can see, the winds will be coming up out of the Gulf. That's what's going to bring us that heat pump situation. And as we get past Sunday and into Monday, that's when we'll have the chance for showers to start moving into the area. We will start to see some of those showers about late Monday into Tuesday, and each day it will increase. And again, as reflected in the week ahead, again, the lowest chances will be on Sunday, and then we go up by Thursday and Friday at 60 and 50% respectively. Looking at the river stages at Mississippi, we're at 27.4. That's the reading. The projection is at 27.9. And then for Greenwood, we're pretty much going to be sustained at 20.1, and it'll just drop just a hair at 20 feet. Now, looking at your forecast, mostly fair and warm, 74 degrees. And then for tomorrow, sunny and hot. That heat index is going to feel like 105. So again, take it slow as you go. And again, those heat tips, light colored clothing, drink as much fluid as possible. Just take it easy and avoid the sunlight if you can. And then looking at the 7-day forecast each and every day, beginning on Monday. Monday will be an isolated chance for showers. Temperatures will be in the 90s, and we will keep shower and thunderstorm chances each and every day. But we will be locked in the mid 90s, and we will be talking about heat index. This is the dog days of summer.
That's the hottest part of the summer this year that we're hitting.
Yes.
We'll see how this goes.
Absolutely. And we are going to look at our viewer photos for this evening. And boy, we have some good photos here. We have sunset in Grenada and Grenada sunset taken by Maria Kilgore. Thank you very much, Maria. Thank you. Thank you. And then the next photos that we have are from Shakira Ware. That is the overhead puffy clouds. And then to the right, we have fog at the mountain foot. Thank you very much, Shakira. And then the next pictures that we have are the evening sunset and out of the blue. And this was taken by Jatorius Lang. So again, very nice job, Jatorius. Thank you very much. And the final photos of the evening, we have an eye in the sky and a walk along the bayou. That was taken by Shamika.
Very pretty.
Thank you very much, Shamika. And again, if you have some weather photos that you would like to share with us, just send them to kwilliams@deltanews.tv. Please include your name and the place where the photo was taken, and we will do our best to feature your photo. Thank you, everyone. You did an excellent job.
Yes, absolutely. And make sure to put your name so we can give you guys credit, because we love seeing those photos. We love having them up.